Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, it's my daughter Sangeetha's birthday today. Yay!
Yay.
So as you can see, we are dressed in a theme, and you might like to talk about that.
Well, we're stuck in lockdown in Sydney, but I still wanted to have fun with the family here at home, so I thought we should dress up.
Yeah.
And I'm a big fan of the Queen's Gambit, the series on Netflix, which is all 60s. So I decided we should do that style and dress in that 60s style.
Yeah. And it's actually quite fun to dress in the style of another era. And the 60s is so bright, nice and colourful, interesting hairstyles. And in the spirit of that, I have made a checkerboard cake. So as you can see, it looks like a chessboard on the top. And I've used rose bushes that I've made out of chocolate and edible rose flowers instead of using chess pieces. And I've sort of given a bit of an Alice in Wonderland type vibe to it, because I mean I like that kind of thing as well.
Yeah, and you could look a bit like Alice in Wonderland.
Oh yeah, that's true, with the headband. So that's what I've done with the cake, and inside it's chocolate sponge, vanilla cake, coffee cake, and it's made to look like a checkerboard inside as well, as we will see later when we cut the cake. And it's sandwiched together with hazelnut cream, and it's got a coffee cream on the outside. And I've made the white chocolate and the dark chocolates all vegan chocolate. So I've made all that myself here at home. So I'm hoping Sangeetha likes the cake.
We'll see.